This YouTube short got 31 million views, and it was made with AI. A few days ago, I stumbled upon something insane, a surreal video of squirrel-like creatures walking through a foggy street. And guess what? It had 32 million views, over 3,000 comments. And here's the crazy part. The video wasn't even that complicated. Another one? A train with hands, 10 million views. And this creator? They've grown a channel to 189,000 subscribers with just 34 videos. That's not all. Based on the views and engagement, they're pulling in over $9,000 a month, just from YouTube ad revenue. But wait, that's just the beginning. They're reposting the exact same videos on Instagram and TikTok, and it's working like magic. 350,000 plus Instagram followers, millions of TikTok views, an estimated $30,000 per month across platforms. It's what I call the secret strategy, short addictive content that spreads everywhere and burns fast, in a good way. And it's all powered by free AI tools. Now here's the part you came for. You don't need a studio, you don't need a team. I'm going to break down how you can create videos just like this for free. Let's go step by step. Step 1, get the story prompt. Check the Google Doc link in the comments or description. I've pre-written some high-quality image prompts and stories for you, or create your own using ChatGPT. Paste your prompt into ChatGPT, and it will generate a custom story. Simple and cinematic. Step 2, generate the images. Head over to Leonardo AI. It's free to sign up. Use these settings. Model, Leonardo Phoenix. Mode, flow state aspect. Ratio, 9:16, perfect for Reels, Shorts, and TikTok. Paste your story-based prompt and click Generate. Review the results and download your favorite images. Step 3, animate with Hailuo AI. This is where the magic happens. Go to Hailuo AI. Choose image to video. Upload your image. Use a motion prompt like walking slowly, floating forward in mist. Click Create and download the video. Repeat for each scene. Step 4, add sound effects. Open ChatGPT and paste the image prompt I gave you and type recreate the sound effect prompt and click Enter. Here, your new prompt is ready. For now, let's use my prompt. Open 11 Labs, click on sound effect. Copy the sound prompt that I gave on Google Docs. Paste it here. Now click on Generate. Boom. Now you have cinematic audio to match your surreal visuals. Save it into your desktop. Now open CapCut, add your final video and sound effect. Adjust it on your way, and export into your desktop. That's it. You've got a viral-ready video. When I first saw these videos, I assumed a professional studio made them. Turns out, anyone can do it with the right AI tools, including you. So hit like, tap subscribe, and check the comments/description for the full prompt library. This is just the beginning. More viral niches and breakdowns coming your way.